Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 8th. Today's topic is compound interest. We will solve practice set 14.1. So let's begin. Practice set 14.1. Question number 1. Find the amount and the compound interest. Here one table is given and in this table 3 examples are given. To solve these examples, we must know 2 formulas. First one, amount is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N, where P is principal, R is rate and N, that is duration, number of years. And second formula is compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Let us take first example. Here principal is given 2000, rate is 5 PCPA, that is per cent per annum. Duration is given 2 years, that is we have to take it as a N is equal to 2. Let us take the formula. Amount is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N. We will put the values at the proper places. Is equal to 2000 in bracket 1 plus 5 upon 100 bracket raised to 2. In the bracket, this fraction 5 upon 100, we have to reduce it to its lowest form. After reducing, we get 1 upon 20. Therefore, 2000 multiply in bracket 1 plus 1 upon 20 bracket raised to 2. Now we will shift these steps little bit up. In this bracket, we have to do cross multiplication. We have to multiply 1 with this 20, and here there is no denominator. We have to consider denominator 1. We have to multiply with this one. 20 into 1, 20, 1 into 1, 1, 20 plus 1 is 21, hence we get here fraction 21 upon 20. Therefore, 2000 multiply by in bracket 21 upon 20 raised to 2. As at the index place 2 is there, we have to take this fraction 2 times for multiplication. Therefore, 2000 multiply by 21 upon 20 multiply by 21 upon 20. In this 20 we have one 0 and in this 20 another 0. We will cut this 0 and this 0. Also this 0 and this one. Here we have 2. We will divide this 20 by this 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 tens are 20. Again we will divide this 10 by this 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 fives are 10. We have 3 numbers left. 5, 21 and this 21. After multiplication, we get answer amount is equal to rupees 2205. First answer we got. Now the next thing we have to find compound interest. Let us take the formula. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Substitute the values. Is equal to 2205 minus 2000. We get subtraction 205. Finally, we write the answer. Amount is equal to rupees 2205 and compound interest is equal to rupees 205. Example number 2. Principal is equal to 5000. Rate is 8 PCPA. Duration is given 3 years. Let us take the formula. Amount is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N. Put the values at the proper places. Is equal to 5000 multiply by in bracket 1 plus 8 upon 100 bracket raised to 3. In this bracket, this fraction 8 upon 100 we have to reduce it to its lowest form. We get 2 upon 25. Therefore, is equal to 5000 multiply in bracket 1 plus 2 upon 25 bracket raised to 3. Let us take these steps little bit up. Now, we have to do cross multiplication of these numbers. We have to multiply 1 with 25 and this denominator 1 with 2. 25 into 1, 25. 1 into 2 is 2. We have to add upper numbers, that is 25 plus 2 is 27, and finally we get 27 upon 25. Hence 5000 multiply 27 upon 25 bracket cube, as at the place of index 3 is there, we have to take 27 upon 25 3 times for the multiplication. Hence 5000 multiply by 27 upon 25 multiply by 27 upon 25 multiply by 27 upon 25. This denominator 25 and this numerator 5000, we have to divide 5000 by this 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, and these two zeros will give as it is. Now quotient 200, we will divide it again by this second 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 eights are 200. We have 4 numbers at the place of numerator, 8, 27, 27, 27. At the place of denominator we have 25. After doing this calculation, we get the answer. Amount is equal to rupees 6298.56. Now we have to find out compound interest. So write the formula. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Put the values is equal to 6298.56 minus 5000. We get subtraction rupees 1298.56. Finally, we write the answer. Amount is equal to rupees 6298.56 and compound interest is equal to rupees 1298.56. Let us take example number 3. Here principal is 4000, rate is 7.5 PCPA, duration is 2 years. Let us write the formula of amount. Amount is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to n. We will put the values of principal, rate and duration, that is n, at the appropriate places. Is equal to 4000 in bracket 1 plus 7.5 upon 100 bracket raised to 2. 7.5 and 100, we will reduce it to its lowest form. When we divide both the numbers by 25, we get here 0.3 and at the place of denominator 4. Hence 4000 multiplied by 1 plus 0.3 upon 4 bracket raised to 2. Let us take these steps a little bit up. Here we have to do cross multiplication of 1 with 4, 0.3 with 1. After doing this cross multiplication, finally we get 4.3 upon 4. Let us write it. Is equal to 4000 multiplied by 4.3 upon 4 multiplied by 4.3 upon 4. We have to divide 4000 by this 4 and whatever quotient we'll get, again we will divide it by this second 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, and we will give these remaining 3 zeros after 1. Let us divide again 1000 by this second 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 10 minus 8 is 2, here it becomes 20, 4 fives are 20, lastly this 1 0 we have to give it here, it becomes 250. Now we have only the numerators, 250 into 4.3 into 4.3. Let us write is equal to 250 multiplied by 4.3 multiplied by 4.3. After doing this calculation, we get the product. Amount is equal to rupees 4622.50. Now we have to find out compound interest. Let us write the formula of compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Put the values is equal to 4622.50 minus 4000. After subtraction, we get rupees 622.50. Let us write the final answer. Amount is equal to rupees 4622.50 and compound interest is equal to rupees 622.50. This was about the question number 1. Now we will see question number 2. Here is question number 2. Samir Rao has taken a loan of rupees 12,500 at the rate of 12 PCPA for 3 years. If the interest is compounded annually, then how many rupees should he pay to clear his loan? First we will write what things are given in the question. Principal is given rupees 12,500, rate is 12 PCPA, and number of years, that is n is equal to 3 years. Let us write the formula of amount. Amount is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to n. Put the given values in the formula. 12,500 multiplied by 1 plus 12 upon 100 bracket raised to 3. In this bracket 12 upon 100, both the numbers are divisible by 4, hence reduce it to its lowest form. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 10 minus 8 is 2, it becomes 20, 4 5s are 20. Here we got new fraction 3 upon 25. Let us write it in next step is equal to 12,500 multiplied by 1 plus 3 upon 25 bracket raised to 3. Let us take these steps again up. We have to do cross multiplication in this bracket. Multiply 1 with 25, 1 with 3. Hence, we get a new fraction 28 upon 25. Let us write it in the next step is equal to 12,500 multiplied by 28 upon 25 into 28 upon 25 into 28 upon 25. We have taken this fraction 3 times as at the place of index 3 is there. Okay, now what we will do? Here there is 25 and 12,500 is divisible by this 25. So we will divide it. 25 ones are 25. 25 5s are 125. And these 2 zeros we will take it here. So it becomes 500. This 25 has been reduced. Now again this second 25 will take. 25 ones are 25. 25 twos are 50. Again this 1 0 we have to take it here. Now what numbers are left? Here 20 is there. 28, 28, 28 and down 25. So here 20 we have taken, multiply by 28, 28, 28 upon 25. 20 and 25 we have divided by 5. So we get here 4 multiply by these 3 times 28 and upon 5. We have to multiply these upper numbers and then we have to divide it by 5. And finally we get 17,561.60, and this is the amount. And finally we have to write the statement Samir Rao should pay rupees 17,561.60 to clear his loan. Next question, question number 3. To start a business, Shalaka has taken a loan of rupees 8,000 at the rate of 10.5 PCPA. After 2 years, how much compound interest will she have to pay? Again we'll write down here given things. Principal is equal to 8,000. Here by mistakenly I have taken here 3. It should be 2. Make it here 2 years. 10.5 it means 10.5 PCPA. Do this correction. Instead of 3 you have to take it here 2. Write down the formula. Amount is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to n. And now put the values. At the place of P we have taken 8,000 multiply by in bracket 1 plus, at the place of R we have taken here 10.5 upon 100 bracket closed raised to 2. After doing here cross multiplication, we get here 110.5, and as at the place of index of this bracket there is 2, therefore we have taken this fraction 2 times. Now you will think how that 110.5 has come. We have done cross multiplication. Now these 2 zeros we will cut with these 2 zeros. Here 1 0 and here 1 0. After reduction, lastly we get the answer rupees 9,768.20. This was the amount, and now we will find the compound interest. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is 9,768.20 and principal is 8,000. So I have taken these two values for subtraction. When we subtract 8 from 9, we get 1. Remaining all the digits will appear same. That is 1768.20. And final answer, final statement is Shalaka will have to pay compound interest of rupees 1768.20 after 2 years. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.